Hello everyone. In 10th Maths Chapter 1 Relation and Function, today I will explain how to find domain, range and codomain of a relation. For better understanding, I will explain this definition with an example. Let me take a small example. I will consider two non-empty set A and B. Let A equal to 1, 3 and let B equal to 3, 5, 6. So first I will calculate A cross B, that is set of all possible ordered pair of set A and set B. Then write the ordered pair. So each element of set A could pair with all the element of set B. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 6, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 3, 6. So next I will consider set R equal to 1, 5, 3, 5, 1, 6. Now you just observe all elements present in set R are present in A cross B. For example, you take first element of set R 1, 5. Is this present in A cross B? Yes. Then next element 3, 5, which is present in A cross B? Yes. Then third element 1, 6. Is this present in A cross B? Yes. Therefore, R is a subset of A cross B. So, R is a relation from A to B. Next we see how to find domain of relation R. It is defined as set of all first elements in ordered pair of relation R. It is defined as set of all first elements in ordered pairs of relation R, which means see the ordered pair 1, 5, 3, 5, 1, 6. This is ordered pair of the relation. These first elements are 1, 3, 1. So in roster form, domain of relation R equal to 1, 3. Next we see how to find range of relation R. Is defined as set of all second elements in ordered pairs of relation R. Set of all second elements in ordered pair of relations R. See the relation R 1, 5, 3, 5, 1, 6. In this second elements are 5, 5, 6. In roster form, range of relation is equal to 5, 6. Then next we see how to find codomain of relation R. If R is a relation from A to B, then the set B is called a codomain of relation. See here, if R is a relation from A to B, then set B is called a codomain of relation R. Therefore, in roster form, set B equal to 3, 5, 6. Okay. Now you get a clear idea about domain, range and codomain of a relation. So next we move on the next example, example 1.5. See, in this question, the arrow diagram shows a relationship between the set P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form, roster form. What is domain and range of R? In this question, given is arrow diagram. So from this, you have to find set B, set Q and a relation, ordered pair of relation. See, the first set P contains 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Then second set Q contains 3 elements, that is 3, 4, 5. So first you take down and write the given solution. From the arrow diagram, write the given set P equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Set Q equal to 3, 4, 5. Then relations are also there. See, 5 related to 3, 6 related to 4, 7 related to 5. Therefore, relation R is equal to ordered pair 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Now you recall what is relation. Relation is nothing but the two objects are related under a specific rule is called a relation. So in this ordered pair we have to observe what is the specific rule apply here. In every ordered pair, first element you keep x coordinate and second element y coordinate. So first element x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. So you observe the first element in all ordered pair 5, 6, 7 and second element in all ordered pair 3, 4, 5. See, in this ordered pair 5 is greater than y coordinate, that is second element, and here also x coordinate is greater than y coordinate and here also x coordinate is greater than y coordinate. Now you observe how much greater, what is the difference between. See here, first element x coordinate 5, y coordinate 3. So here you observe 2 less than 5 you get 3 and here 2 less than 6 get 4. Then 2 less than 7 get 5. Then the relation is defined as y is equal to x minus 2. Y is equal to x minus 2. See here, this one x coordinate and this one y coordinate. So y equal to x minus 2 means y is equal to x element 5 minus 2 we get 3, that is y element, so 3. Then 6 minus 2 we get y element, that is y coordinate 4. Then 7 minus 2 y coordinate we get 5. Therefore, first subdivision answers set built-up form of R is set of all ordered pair of relation x, y such that y equal to x minus 2. Here x belongs to set P and y belongs to set Q. This is the answer for set built-up form. X, y, set of all relation ordered pair x, y such that y equal to x minus 2, x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Then next subdivision, write in roster form of relation. Then means you write this ordered pair 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. Then next third subdivision answer. Domain of R is defined as set of all first elements in relation ordered pair. See here, first element 5, 6, 7. Then in roster form, domain of R equal to 5, 6, 7. Then range of R is defined as set of all second element in ordered pair of relation R. So here second element 3, 4, 5. In roster form 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer for the first example. Next we move on exercise. See the second sum. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45 and R be the relation defined as is square of on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. See, in this question set A is given and relation or defined. You have to find ordered pair of the relation and domain range of relation. So first you write the given solution. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45 or is defined as is square of A. Then the ordered pair are equal to, see, first element of A 1, square of 1 is 1. Then next element of set A 2, square of 2 is 4. Then 3, square of 3 is 9. 4, square of 4 is 16. 5, square of 5 is 25. Then 6, square of 6 is 36. Then next you take 7, square of 7 is 49, but here given up to 45 only. So don't write 7, 49 because in the question write R as a subset of A cross A. Then means A cross A subset up to 45 only. Okay, 45 only. So R is equal to 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36. That's all. Don't write 7, 49 because 49 is greater than set A. Okay, so don't write 7, 49. Now we get ordered pair of relation R. Then next you find domain of R. So what is domain of R? It is defined as set of all first element of in ordered pair of relation. Set of all first elements in ordered pair of relation. Then means first element of R, write in roster form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then next question, range of R is equal to, what is the definition of range of R? Range of R is set of all second element in ordered pair of set R. That means second element 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. That is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. This is the answer for domain of R and range of R. That's all. Yesterday I gave homework exercise 1.2 first sum. I hope you are all complete the homework. So all of you take that page and correct it. In this question, set A, set B are given. Then find the given subdivisions or relation from A to B. See the first subdivision R1 equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. So before that you have to find out A cross B, which is set A 1, 2, 3, 7 cross set B 3, 0, minus 1, 7. So A cross B means set of all possible ordered pair of set A and set B. Each element of set A could pair with every element of set B. Then we get this ordered pair. Have a look and check it. Okay, next first subdivision R1 equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. All the elements are present in R1 or present in A cross B. So like that you check means 2, 1 belongs to R1 but 2, 1 not belongs to A cross B. Therefore R1 not a subset of A cross B. So R1 is not a relation from A to B. Then second subdivision R2 equal to minus 1, 1. Which is present in A cross B? No. Minus 1, 1 belongs to R2 but minus 1, 1 not belongs to A cross B. Therefore R2 is not a subset of A cross B. So R2 is not a relation from A to B. Then third subdivision R3 equal to 2, minus 1, 7, 7, 1, 3. So first element, is this present in or A cross B? Yes. Then second element 7, 7 which is present in A cross B? Yes. Then third element 1, 3 which is present in A cross B? Yes. Therefore R3 subset of A cross B. So R3 is a relation from A to B. Then fourth subdivision R4 equal to 7, minus 1, 3, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 7. See in this first element 7, minus 1 is present in A cross B but 0, 3 is not present in A cross B. Therefore 0, 3 belongs to set R4 but 0, 3 not belongs to set A cross B. Therefore R4 not a subset of A cross B. So R4 is not a relation from A to B. Okay students, today homework exercise 1.2 third sum alone. Keep doing and keep on doing. Thank you.